All right, guys, so today I wanted to do a unboxing and review on my new folding hand truck. It has a capacity of 330 pounds. So you can see it folds up really nice, so you can keep this anywhere in your warehouse or your garage or anything that you like, and then it'll literally unfold. And then if you push that red button, it'll come up. So now you have yourself a full dolly. So I'll go ahead and start loading it with one of our larger boxes. This box weighs about 80 pounds or so, so we'll just go ahead and slide it under. It also comes with gloves as well as straps. I will not be using them on these, but just, you do get them. And then you'll be able to move it freely throughout. The wheels are really, really smooth. And as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and load 2 different boxes onto it as well. Makes it super easy and convenient to move anything around. Like I said, whether it's in a warehouse or a garage or an office, it can be very, very convenient to have and own. So if you're looking for a reliable folding hand truck, I'd highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.